Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're unfolding the latest in smartphone innovation with a focus on the best foldable phones. These cutting-edge devices combine the power and features of a smartphone with the flexibility of a foldable design, offering a unique blend of style, functionality, and versatility. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a multitasker, or just someone who loves having the latest gadgets, foldable phones are changing the way we interact with our devices. In this video, we'll be unveiling the top 7 best foldable phones that deliver exceptional performance, stunning displays, and innovative features. Our criteria include design, durability, display quality, processing power, battery life, and overall user experience. Links to all the featured foldable phones are conveniently provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's explore the future of smartphones with these top picks. Number 7. OPPO Find N3. The OPPO Find N3 is a sleek and powerful foldable phone designed to combine style with functionality. Its ultra-thin profile and lightweight build make it easy to carry, while its expansive 7.8-inch screen offers a spacious and seamless viewing experience. The phone's innovative hinge technology, made from aviation-grade materials, ensures durability and flexibility, allowing it to fold smoothly without creases. Equipped with a triple camera system featuring a 48-megapixel ultra-sensing wide-angle camera, a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, the OPPO Find N3 delivers exceptional image clarity and vibrant colors. The Hasselblad-inspired portrait mode enhances photo quality with natural color recognition and cinematic effects. The device's 120Hz dynamic refresh rate screen provides fluid visuals and outstanding brightness, even in direct sunlight. For added convenience, the phone includes features like FlexForm for hands-free photography and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor for seamless performance. With its refined design, high-quality imaging capabilities, and efficient multitasking features, the OPPO Find N3 stands out as a versatile and stylish choice for tech enthusiasts. Number 6. Vivo X Fold3 Pro. The Vivo X Fold3 Pro is a premium foldable phone designed to blend elegance with cutting-edge technology. With its ultra-slim design, the phone feels sleek and comfortable in your hand. It features a robust 5,700 mAh Blue Volt battery that supports long-lasting use, while its Zeiss co-engineered imaging system delivers exceptional photo quality across distances and lighting conditions. The SmartFold AI enhances the large screen experience with intelligent features, and the Armor Glass provides durability with SGS 5-star certification for drop resistance. The phone's ultra-thin foldable screen is further protected by super tensile UTG and impact-resistant film, while the carbon fiber hinge ensures durability and smooth operation. The IPX8 water resistance adds to its reliability, and the vivid 2K plus E7 display offers stunning visuals with high brightness and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it offers top-notch performance and energy efficiency. The camera system, developed with Zeiss, includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 64-megapixel telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide camera, providing clear and vibrant images. The phone supports fast charging with 100-watt dual-cell and 50-watt wireless options, ensuring quick power-ups. Its AI capabilities, like smart note-taking and real-time translation, enhance productivity. With FunTuck OS 14, multitasking and seamless device linking are a breeze, making the Vivo X Fold3 Pro a sophisticated tool for both work and play. Number 5. HUAWEI Mate X5. The HUAWEI Mate X5 is a foldable smartphone that combines elegance with advanced technology, designed for users who seek both style and functionality. With its sleek and slim profile, the Mate X5 features a large 7.85-inch foldable OLED display that offers vibrant visuals and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The phone's innovative hinge technology ensures a crease-free experience while allowing the device to fold effortlessly. It's powered by the Kirin 9000S chipset and runs on Harmony OS 4.0, providing powerful performance and smooth multitasking capabilities. The Mate X5 is equipped with a versatile triple camera system, including a 50-megapixel wide camera, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, enabling high-quality photography in various conditions. The phone also includes features such as 66-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and a 5,060 mAh battery to keep you connected throughout the day. With its premium build quality, including a choice of glass or eco leather back and IPX8 water resistance, the Mate X5 offers both durability and a high-end aesthetic. This foldable phone is ideal for those who want a blend of cutting-edge technology and sophisticated design. Number 4. Honor Magic V3. The Honor Magic V3 is a foldable phone that offers a premium experience for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Released in July 2024, this device features a stunning 7.92-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 2156 by 2344 pixels and a peak brightness of 1800 nits, making it ideal for vibrant visuals and immersive content. When folded, the phone sports a sleek 6.43-inch OLED cover display with a resolution of 1060 by 2376 pixels, ensuring versatility whether the device is open or closed. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and running on Android 14 with macOS 8.0.1, it offers smooth performance and multitasking capabilities. The Magic V3 comes in multiple storage options, including 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, and features 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, providing ample space and speed for demanding applications. Its camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, delivering high-quality photos and videos. The phone is also equipped with a 5150 mAh battery, supporting 66-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring long-lasting use and quick top-ups. With IPX8 water resistance, stylus support, and a range of connectivity options including 5G and NFC, the Honor Magic V3 combines innovation and practicality, making it a standout choice in the foldable phone market. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is a foldable smartphone designed to deliver an exceptional blend of performance and durability. With its dual Pro XDR displays, the device offers a 7.82-inch main screen and a 6.31-inch cover display, both featuring 2K resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. These screens are engineered with advanced FlexiFluid AMOLED and SuperFluid AMOLED technology, providing vibrant colors and high brightness even in direct sunlight. The OnePlus Open is built with a robust mix of titanium alloy, carbon fiber, and aerospace-grade materials, ensuring it is light at just 239 grams and exceptionally durable, with TÜV Rheinland certification for 1 million folds. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and includes 16 GB of RAM, enabling fast and seamless multitasking. It also boasts a Hasselblad camera system with a 48-megapixel main sensor, 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, offering outstanding photography capabilities including advanced low-light performance. The OnePlus Open features 67-watt fast charging, which can fully charge its 4,805 mAh battery in just 42 minutes, and supports up to 120 times digital zoom for detailed imaging. 67-watt enhances multitasking with open canvas for flexible screen use, making it a powerful and versatile choice for tech enthusiasts. Number 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a cutting-edge foldable phone designed to elevate your smartphone experience with its sleek and slim profile. Released in 2024, this device features an impressive 8-inch Super Actua Flex inner display with 80% increased brightness and a 6.3-inch Actua outer display, both providing vibrant visuals and ample screen real estate for multitasking. Powered by Google's most advanced chip and running on Android 14, it ensures fast performance and seamless integration with Google's latest AI capabilities, including the Gemini Assistant. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is built with a durable hinge and scratch-resistant glass, designed to withstand everyday use while maintaining an elegant look. Its camera system includes a versatile triple rear setup with a dedicated telephoto lens for up to 20x super res zoom, and advanced features like astrophotography and pro controls. The phone supports hands-free viewing with its versatile display and offers robust multitasking options with split screen. With features like Face Unlock, comprehensive security updates, and Google's AI enhancements, this phone combines style, performance, and functionality to provide an exceptional user experience. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is a cutting-edge foldable phone that combines sleek design with powerful performance. It features a super slim profile and a strikingly bright 7.6-inch main screen that folds out for an immersive experience, making it ideal for productivity and gaming. With Galaxy AI integrated into the phone, it offers innovative features such as Circle to search for efficient on-screen searches, Note Assist for summarizing recorded notes, and advanced photo editing tools like Photo Assist and Portrait Studio. The Z Fold6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, providing enhanced performance and graphics for smooth gaming and multitasking. Its camera system includes a high-resolution 50-megapixel main lens, along with ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, delivering exceptional image quality. The device is built to be durable with Armor Aluminium and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring it withstands everyday wear and tear. The Z Fold6 also supports S Pen functionality for added productivity. The phone's battery life is robust, allowing for extended use with up to 77 hours of music playback or 23 hours of video watching. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold6 is a powerful and versatile foldable phone that excels in both design and functionality, making it a standout choice for those seeking a premium smartphone experience. So that's it for the best folding smartphones of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.